So this is my voice. I know I probably sound like trash. And yes, I am a girl for those who didn't know. And this time I'm not deleting this video. Yay! You guys that watch my videos before the remake knows what I'm talking about. Gosh, this is so embarrassing. Anyways, I am gonna rest for a bit. Or maybe play more Obey Me. Yep, I'm definitely playing Obey Me. I'm not watching anything. So, yeah. So, those who wanted a voice review, you got a voice review. You got what you wanted. There you go. You're welcome. Say thank you in the comments right now. Thanks.